Senior.net devs, you ever build something just in case and then maintain it for years before anyone used it? That's not future proofing. That's just a friction tax that you pay every single day. It's early 2000s. I'm building e commerce systems, and one client hints they might need multi language support soon. So I added resource files for every piece of text, the whole thing. 6 years before any client actually needed it. 6 years. And for 3 of those years, every text change meant updating resource files. Every single change. And then after 3 years, I got tired of it, so I ripped it out. I put English text directly on the pages. And then in year 6, a client actually needed it and had to go back through and fix everything. That's the triple cost of premature friction. You pay to maintain it, you pay to remove it, and you pay to rebuild it correctly when you actually needed it. So here's your you already know this reminder for senior.net devs. Before you add any abstraction, any flexibility, any future proofing, ask yourself one question. Is someone actually asking for this right now? Not maybe in 3 months, but right now. If the answer is no, then don't build it because maintaining code nobody uses is expensive. Removing code nobody uses is expensive. And rebuilding it later when requirements are actually clear, well, that's the only cheap part. So stop paying friction tax on imaginary requirements. Even in the world of AI, don't make it jump through hoops just in case. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.